Forgiveness can feel like a monumental task, especially when the person who has hurt you is a family member. It's essential to understand that harboring resentment does not only affect your relationship with them, but also weighs down your spirit. When facing the challenge of forgiving, reflection is your first step. Consider how forgiveness can be portrayed in the light of personal growth and healing. As you contemplate the hurt, ask yourself what lessons can be learned from this experience and how they could potentially strengthen familial bonds. A powerful biblical perspective on forgiveness can be found in Colossians 3:13, which states, "Bear with each other and forgive one another. If any of you has a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you." This verse emphasizes the importance of extending grace and understanding to others, especially those closest to you. It serves as a reminder that forgiveness is not merely about the offense, but also about embracing the spirit of compassion that nurtures family ties. The process of forgiveness involves letting go of pain and anger. To embark on this journey, consider seeking guidance through prayer or meditation. These practices can facilitate a deeper sense of peace as you work through your feelings. Acknowledge your emotions, but choose not to allow them to control you. This internal work cultivates empathy, allowing you to see the situation from your family member's perspective and recognize their humanity. Moreover, communication plays a fundamental role in the healing process. Discussing your feelings with the family member involved can lift the weight of misunderstandings and pave the way for reconciliation. Approach conversations with kindness and openness while expressing how their actions affected you. It is crucial to foster an environment where both parties feel safe and valued, with the ultimate goal being a renewed sense of trust and unity. Lastly, remember that forgiveness does not imply forgetting the hurtful action. Rather, it means freeing yourself from its hold. As you reconcile with your family member, practice self-compassion and patience, understanding that healing is a gradual process. Celebrate the small victories along the way and lean on your faith for strength. Your journey towards forgiveness is not just a gift for the offender, but also a liberation for your heart, paving the way for healthier family relationships.